Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to switch the thumbstick outer shape between circle and square on the Machenike G5Pro V2 controller. Specifically, how to use a key combination to switch the thumbstick's outer boundary shape. First, let's connect the controller. As you can see, by default, both thumbsticks have a circular boundary. You can see it draws a perfect circle, with 0% error rate. Now if we want both thumbsticks to have a square boundary instead, we can switch using a key combination. First, press down both the left and right thumbsticks simultaneously. Then press the FN key. The switch is now successful. The controller will vibrate to confirm. Let's check again. Okay. Now, our thumbsticks have a square outer boundary. This circle-square switching feature has memory function. Even after turning off and on again, it will remember this setting. Let's verify. First, turn it off. Then reconnect. Okay, reconnected. It does have memory function. To switch back to circle, just repeat the key combination. Now we're back to the circular boundary. The key combination is both thumbsticks down plus FN. That's all for this video. See you next time. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain the air mouse feature on the Machenike G5Pro V2 controller. First, we need to take the toggle switch on the back of the controller and switch it to PC mode. Then we plug in the cable. Okay, connected successfully. Then we press and hold the FN button and press down the left joystick. So, FN plus pressing down the left joystick. That activates our left joystick's mouse simulation mode. The A button acts as the left mouse button. The B button acts as the right mouse button. When we don't need it anymore, just press FN and press down the left joystick again to turn it off. And that's how you toggle it off. So currently, this air mouse mode only supports wired connection in PC mode. It supports the air mouse feature when connected via cable and switched to the PC position. Other modes do not support it. Alright, that's all for this tutorial. See you next time. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to calibrate the motion calibration on the Machenike G5Pro V2 controller. First, make sure the controller is powered off. Press the key combination A plus back plus home button. When the indicator light flashes like this, it means the controller has entered calibration mode. Next, place the controller flat on your desk. Alright, then we press the start button. It will now automatically perform the calibration. Once the calibration is complete, it will power off automatically. Let's do that one more time. Press A plus back plus home to enter calibration mode. Press start to begin the auto calibration. Okay, calibration is finished, the controller powers down. And just like that, our motion control is all calibrated. Alright, that's all for this tutorial. See you in the next one. Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use a key combination on the Machenike G5Pro V2 controller to activate the motion simulated right joystick feature. Okay, first let's connect the controller. It's already connected here. Now we use the key combination FN plus RS and press down the right joystick. This activates the feature, which is the gyro simulating the right joystick. See, when I move it now, you can see on the test website the right joystick moving up and down, left and right. So now the motion simulated right joystick is active. If we don't need it, we can turn it off. FN plus RS. Now it's off. To turn it back on, use the combo FN plus RS plus pressing down the right joystick. Okay, FN plus RS plus and stick press to enable. FN plus R stick press to disable. Also, let me explain how to use the gyro properly. Just take a look. You should rotate it on a horizontal plane. Left and right and then up and down. Not like this, twisting it. If you twist it like this, it feels a bit strange to use. The correct way is like this. Keep the controller steady and tilt it on a horizontal plane. Tilt up and down. That's the right way. Okay, that's it for this video. See you next time. Hey everyone, today we'll show you how to set up motion controls for our Machenike controller on PC using Steam mapping. Okay, the controller is connected. Important note, the controller must be in switch mode, Bluetooth switch mode. 2, 4G or wired all work. Once connected, let's check if the device name is correct. You should see Nintendo Pro Controller as the device name. This means it's connected properly. Next, we'll configure it in a specific game. First, let's pick a game to demonstrate. Open your game library. On the right side, you'll see a controller icon. This is for the controller settings. Click it to configure. Okay. Inside the settings, if you haven't allowed Steam input for this game, this prompt appears. Click Enable Steam Input. Now you'll see this interface. Find gyro behavior at the bottom. By default, it's set to off. Change gyro behavior to joystick camera. Then click the settings. Gyro behavior settings. At the top, find button behavior. Set a button as the gyro toggle. Let's choose the left trigger, LT, as our gyro switch. In the top right, there are 3 options. We, according to our own needs, just make the corresponding selection. We choose the first one. We'll quit after we choose. Now below, find gyro output. Set it to. You can see the output of a gyroscope. You can choose left or right stick. We'll map it to the right stick. Okay, that's the basic setup for gyro to right stick. In fact, it can be used. There are also more advanced settings below. You can adjust them later. Alright, after we set it up later, we enter the game. I have already started the game here. Right now, motion controls are off. Moving the controller doesn't move the camera. You need to use right stick instead. Open Fire. What if we want to use Somata Sensory? Hold RT. Then you can see when aiming, motion controls control the camera. Carry out a design. There is a Somata Sensory function. If we don't press it, it doesn't have this function. Then we press the next RT word, a mapping of Somata Sensory, according to Somata Sensory, to control the direction in which we shoot. So that's how to set up motion controls on PC via Steam.